Welcome back. Illegal mining issue created a furor in the assembly on Tuesday. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar demanded to set up a house committee and track down the illegal exporters of mineral ore. He has alleged that some policemen are also acting as middlemen in the illegal ore business.
बऱ्याच जाग्यार पुलीस अधिकारी मायनवाले कुडचड्या तीन हे फायर ब्रिगेडचे हे स्टाफ दे आर डीलिंग इन माइन्स. Why are you not filing case for cheating government? Because you have lost 3 crore at least current rate 3 कोटीच्या आसपास तुझी रॉयल्टी गेल्या. इल्लीगल मायनिंग कशें जाता ताचें उत्कृश्ट हें आसा. I don't know how much importance government gives to the revenue, particularly now when each ton of mine is going to give them 150 rupees approximately, plus or minus 15 rupees in terms of revenue. If someone is not filing return in time, cancel his license. You have powers. You have powers under various sections. You are now going to lose, Speaker Sir, anywhere up to about 70-80 crores in terms of royalty if you don't reconcile immediately. Plus, this is pumping illegal money into the state of 1500 crores. ज्या पैशाक अकाउंट ना, जो पैसो खंय वता म्हणजे एक्सपोर्ट करणारा हाडटा पण तो खरेदी करता पळय ताका पैसो येता ताजी मायनूच ना. मागीर ते अशी तळी खणटात आनीक कितें खणटात ते सगळे पयशे आयले पळय तळयेंतल्यान काडलेले पयशाचो वॅल्यू 30 कोटी रुपया जाता. स्पीकर सर सिंपल मेकॅनिझम सांगता. एक तरी ताणें हाऊस कमिटी करची इफ ही वॉन्ट्स. द हाऊस कमिटी वील शो द वे. आय एम रेडी टू शो द वे. सेकंड सिंपल मेथड सांगता. एक्सपोर्ट फिगर घे पुरुची हांगा बरयल्या ह्या बुकाचेर आनी प्रत्येकाक सांग हाडून रॉयल्टी दाखय. ते एसेसमेंट करता ते प्रोडक्शन काडटा ताजेर आदार ताजेर हें डिफरन्स मेळचें ना.
In fact, as far as exports are concerned, we are trying to work out a mechanism by which before the ore is exported, we want that royalty should be recovered. Obviously. By putting up some barricade at the Panjim port before the MPT. In fact, I have already talked to both the people.
How you are going to stop the barge? You want
before ship leaves.
Every month take his export figure and ask him to give you the royalty payment details against that export. If he has exported 10 lakh tons, then he has to show you that 10 lakh tons royalty has been paid.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with Paresh Parab for Prudent Media.
Government has assured to clear the pending harness cases within 2 years. 706 government servants of C and D category expired in last 5 years and 353 applications of harness cases are pending. Chief Minister has shown his willingness to revise the income criteria to expedite the filing of these vacancies.
Government servant C and D groupaचे जानेवारी 2004 ते मार्च 2009 पर्यंत कितले गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट एक्सपायर जाले आणि ते एक्सपायर जातकीर हर्नेस ग्राउंडाचेर कितली एप्लिकेशनां आयली आणि कितले जाणां परत नोकरी दिली.
Last year, we did an exercise. And in one slot, practically we have cleared something like 150 or 180 cases in one slot. First time we have done this by talking to the various departments. And it cannot be linked to the total number of posts filled, what you are saying, because that again there will be a difference. Secondly, Speaker Sir, while keeping the post reserved, there are sometimes that the person on compassionate ground does not have that qualification. Supposing post is available, recruitment says that particular post is required. Now, for example, I'll give you an example. One of my employee in the Directorate of Art and Culture died in an accident. Now, his wife is not even 7th passed. So, the post to which she can be appointed, even if tomorrow she gets through the waiting list, you must get a post on which she can be employed.
There is also a problem about the income certificate of the family. That is creating more problem and more than 50% people are knocked out. So that circular is also very dated I think 10 years back, which is creating problem. Now income of a family has increased multiple fold with all the economic indicators. So it has to be also corrected.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with Paresh Parab for Prudent Media.
Kadamba Transport Corporation is in news once again. This time for non-payment of bank loans. Kadamba failed to repay its loans worth crores of rupees. The chairman of the Goa State Cooperative Bank has hinted to attach Kadamba's assets for recovering its unpaid loan.
गव्हर्नमेंट जेन्ना दिता म्हणून सांगता कितें अटॅच करतले आमी वचून कबस करूंक शकता आमी वी कॅन डू हय वी कॅन डू प्लॅनिंग नाजाल्यार आमी करचेच पडटलें अदरवायज वी हॅव टू कित्याक आफ्टर ऑल वी हॅव टू रिकवर अवर मनी.
Mule said CM is assured to look into this issue.
36 कोटीचेर येयल्या एकूय पयसो भरिना कदंबा आनी गव्हर्नमेंट गॅरंटी जी आसा ती आतां सोंपलेली आसा. एक्चुअली ती रिन्यू करून दिवपाक जाय आशिल्ली ती अजून पर्यंत सांगल्यार फायल खंय तरी गळा जाली म्हणटा आनी कितें जालें म्हणटा अजून ते पयशे 30 crores जे आसा ती रिन्यू करून दिले जाल्यार आमकां बरें पडटलें. नाल्यार आमकां इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट आमकां हेका इन्फॉर्म करचें पडटलें आमच्या गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया त्या बँक गव्हर्नमेंट गॅरंटी जी दिता ती रिन्यू करपाक जाय न्ही इमिजिएटली ती करुना अजून. सीएमान सांगलां आपूण तितून लक्ष घालता म्हणून.
The bank has elected a state level committee.
आमी हे पावर्स तांकां ह्या कमिटीनुसार तांकां दिल्ले आसात की आमचे कडेन संपर्क साधनासतना ती तेंच्या लेवलाचेर ग्रूप तयार करून तांकां जे फायनान्स जाय तांकां जे रजिस्ट्रेशन जाय तांकां जे हें जाय कितें आमचे फाल्यां कितें तांकां बेनिफीट घेवपाक जाय ती घेवन दिवपाक शकतात ती कमिटी. म्हणजे आमचे बँकेचें काम जें आसा तें आमी कमी करपाक लागून असो हो पॅटर्न केल्लो आसा.
A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
Now a look at the other happenings in the state.
Goa Kent celebrated a World Water Day at Mapsa. Environmentalists Rajendra Kirkar, Mingle Braganza and Joseph Vaz spoke about the importance of water and its conservation. They had only one message to give: save water. Goa Kent's convener Roland Martins was present at the function. Corporation Bank had organized an eye checkup camp at Dhargar to mark its completion of 105 years. Deputy General Manager B.B. Tejappa, Manager Mehendare, Sarpanch Pradeep Naik, Manoj Kulkarni, Prakash Dhumar and others were present. People from Dhargar had a benefit of this camp. Rameshanand Swami visited Perne recently. Various rituals and programs were performed in the honor of Swami. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.